How to use POS credit card machine for payment? Just tap on sell, then enter the amount. Okay, then tap on confirm. Then you can just tap here. If Wi-Fi not working, you can insert your card here. Just insert. Then enter your PIN number here. Then tap on confirm. You can see here it is approved. Then you can remove your card. This is merchant copy. For customer copy, you can just tap on customer receipt here. You can see here, then this is the customer copy. Sometimes showing transaction fail. If transaction fail, you can try again. So thank you.